Hi, I'm Dr. Harriet Mills. I'm a WIL coordinator in the School of Science at ECU. Work integrated learning is where we try to integrate what students learn in class with the work environment. So that might take the form of students doing a work placement, and it can also involve things like guest lecturers coming in or industry projects where students are involved with real life industry problems. WIL placements are a huge bonus for students. Employers really value graduates who have work experience on top of just their straight degrees. So I think students really benefit from being able to see the relevance of their degrees and how that translates into a real work environment. So we're very keen to assist any student to find a placement.